Step into the 2020 Jeep Cherokee. Jeep prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a rear window wiper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, power moonroof, a power liftgate, and a split folding rear seat. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.